Welcome to Our Phoenix Farms LLC drone mapping. Once Our Phoenix Farms has plotted your field into our mapping software, prepared flight documents, and placed all GPS ground control points, if included in the operation, a grid is flown using drones collecting geotagged images of your crop. Once our drones have completed the geotagged image capturing, all are uploaded, calibrated, processed, and stitched together, creating a large orthomosaic image of the field. This data is then loaded into our platform. The platform is our digital work area, where we can begin to analyze the crop data. Inside the platform, we can view in 2D with zoom capabilities the overall crop to determine any obvious irregularities or variation in the crop, areas which may have eroded, or areas damaged by weather. We can also view our NDVI map of the crop and begin to see in detail, if present, vegetation zones that may be stressed. NDVI mapping allows identification of stressed crops in a field up to 2 weeks before the human eye would be able to detect. The health of vegetation is identified by color. We can isolate stressed or damaged areas with boundaries around them to determine total acres of concern. We can also obtain accurate locations of the areas with coordinates from the mapping for easy location field for further investigations. We can also view elevation mapping of the crop/field, showing low-lying areas which may collect greater water from rains than desired or areas of erosion. Additionally, if GPS ground control points are included in the operation, geometrically and current elevation contours can be created. This data can be used in non-growing times of the season to install additional drainage control or tile to minimize flooding or erosion within the field. Depending on the mapping requests, your personnel will have access to use this platform, allowing you to see your crops in a way you never have before. You'll be able to see in detail what's going on in your field, up close, getting more information than ever before from your desk, shop, or home at your own pace, giving you the opportunity to plan any action you need for your crop or portions of the crop to ensure plant health and healthy yields. Contact Our Phoenix Farms today. Good day.